this box from Full Race. Open. So we got all the peanuts out, literally almost 2 bags filled. So let's go, let's start getting this out, guys. So these are the links that go from the traction bar to the lower control arms. So there's these 2 guys, it's right up there. Then we have the brace that goes across. So now we're getting further into this. Let's see what we've got. So I believe this is one of the links that probably go to the lower control arm. So we got those 3, and then we have a bag of bolts, washers, and nuts. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the traction bar first. All right, guys, so I'm running into a problem where I can't get this traction bar to line up correctly. I believe this thing's kind of bent and it's in my way. So like I said, I was gonna chop that off. Might as well do it now. So I'm gonna get the grinder and get it off. So we're gonna go ahead and chop this thing down. Let's get right to it. All right, I'm almost done. All right, so that's that. And now what I gotta do is clean these up. All right, guys, so I got it all chopped up, so now it shouldn't be in my way. So that's what we cut off, and the 2 back pieces. So that is done. So we're gonna bolt this back up, and hopefully this goes a little bit smoother than the first time. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install this portion of the traction bar first. So there's 3 bolts that go there, and you need the factory bolts. There's like a plate that goes right in the front, like a little toe plate. You take that off and the traction bar goes on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So put a couple bolts through, throw on this side. And then we'll throw another bolt on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead real quick and throw the rest of the bolts on real fast. All right, right, so those are all nice and tight. And now what's left is the links. We're gonna do the middle one first. So this is the middle one. It goes to the block. So it has a bolt. I'm just gonna put that in there real fast. And then, so for the bolts, guys, so the way that this goes is real quick. I'll show you with this first link here. So it's gonna be washer, then you're gonna put it through. When you put it through, you need a spacer. And then you need another spacer. Another washer, and then the nut. So just like that. So same thing down here, same thing for all of these. So I'm gonna keep going and bolt this all up. And now we need the left side. So, and then this part goes to the lower control arm and through the forks. So if you want to come this way real quick. Shout out to Exotic Coatings. My dog hooked it up and got my forks powder coated, man. This thing came out nice. Appreciate it, big homie. Hit up Exotic Coatings, man, for all your coating needs. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So this goes right over here. This goes right through it. And then this bolts. Alright, so that's it for that side. And now we're just gonna do the other side real quick. And we'll be done. Alright, so we got our fork. Again, shout out to Exotic Coatings. This shit came out official, my dude. So that's on. I'm just gonna put this guys on real quick. And then the front. And this is the last link. All right, guys, and that's it. Traction bar is done. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything up, and everything will be nice and tight. But that's it, guys. Appreciate all you guys for watching.